Here's an idea for you. Why don't you get paid to tweet, blog, take photos and videos with sponsored tweets? First, you'll sign up as a creator with either Facebook, Google+, or an email account. Let's sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the welcome page where you can upgrade your plan, connect more social accounts, or refer friends. But first you need to connect your social media accounts. So just click on your account and click Connections. In here you'll select some topics that you focus on, choose your target audience, and then you put in an asking price that you want advertisers to pay for you to share their work. You can go down and add any number of social accounts, and here I've added my Twitter account, and I'm yet to put in an asking price, and it gives a suggestion of $6 to $15. I'll be a little bit more generous and just put $5 for now and just save changes. So now when you go to your sponsorship page, advertisers can see your account and decide whether they want you to share their links. They'll send you direct offers, or they'll open bids to see if they can negotiate a better price. And when they do, you'll see it appear in this screen. And when you've earned a few dollars with sponsored tweets, you go to the payment screen and you can get paid by PayPal. So if you want to get paid to tweet, blog, take photos or videos, and you're a social media influencer, then sign up with sponsored tweets. I'll put my referral link in the notes below, and I'll let you know when I've got my first offer. But that's all I've got time for today. Please subscribe, and bye for now.